Summer at the beach. It was the first day of summer vacation. The sun was shining, and the sky was blue. Anna, her brother Max, and their parents were getting ready for a trip to the beach. They lived in a small town, far from the sea, so they were very excited. Every summer, they visited the same beach on the south coast. It was quiet, clean, and beautiful. Anna woke up early and packed her bag. She took her swimsuit, sunglasses, towel, a book, and some snacks. Max packed his football, a kite, and some toys. Their parents packed food, drinks, sunscreen, and a big umbrella. At 9 a.m., they all got into the car and started the trip. The road was long, but the view was nice. They saw green fields, small villages, and tall mountains. Max played music on his phone, and they all sang together. After 2 hours, they arrived at the beach. The sand was warm and soft. The waves were small, and the water looked very clean. Anna ran to the sea. She put her feet in the water and smiled. "It's perfect," she said. Max threw off his shoes and started playing with his ball. Their parents opened the umbrella and put the towels on the sand. They also brought folding chairs and a small cooler with cold drinks. First, they all went for a swim. The water was a bit cold at first, but after a few minutes, it felt great. Anna and Max played in the water. They swam, splashed each other, and laughed a lot. After swimming, they sat on their towels and ate some watermelon. It was sweet and fresh. Later, Max flew his kite. The wind was strong enough, and the kite went high into the sky. Anna read her book under the umbrella. She liked reading about animals and nature. Their parents walked along the beach, holding hands and talking. In the afternoon, the sun was very strong, so they put on more sunscreen. They played beach games like frisbee and beach volleyball. Many other families were also enjoying the day. Some children were building sandcastles, and some were collecting seashells. There was a small ice cream stand near the rocks. Max bought chocolate ice cream, and Anna chose strawberry. Around 4 p.m., some clouds came, and the wind became cooler. Anna and Max helped their parents clean the area. They collected trash, packed their things, and folded the umbrella. Before leaving, they took a family photo with the sea in the background. On the way back, everyone was a little tired. Max slept in the car, and Anna looked at the photos on her phone. "This was a great day," she said. Her mother smiled and said, "Yes, the best days are often simple." At home, they all took showers and wore clean clothes. Anna wrote in her summer diary, "Today we went to the beach. I swam, read my book, ate watermelon, and played games. I was happy all day. The beach makes me feel free." The next morning, Anna and Max woke up early again. They wanted to go back to the beach. But their parents said they had to wait until the weekend. So they looked at the map and made new plans. "Next time," said Max, "let's take our cousins with us." The days passed quickly. Anna often looked at the seashells she found. Each one had a different shape and color. One was white and smooth, another was orange and had tiny holes. She cleaned them and put them in a glass jar in her room. Max told his friends at school about the trip. "We saw crabs, starfish, and even a jellyfish," he said. His friends were surprised. "You are lucky," they said. Max promised to bring them next time. 1 week later, they went to the beach again. This time, their cousins joined them. There were 8 people now, and they brought more food, more games, and more fun. They made a big circle in the sand and sat together. They played music, danced, and sang songs. In the evening, they made a fire and roasted marshmallows. Anna looked at the sunset and said, "This is the best summer ever." Her cousin Mia agreed, "And it's not over yet." They laughed and watched the stars come out, one by one. Useful words and phrases: trip, travel, beach, sea, sand, waves. Umbrella, towel, sunscreen, swimsuit, kite. Swim, read, play, pack, splash, eat, clean, sleep. Family, cousin, friend, day, weekend, summer, holiday. Happy, tired, excited, free, strong, fresh, perfect.